In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Base44. By the end, you'll have a clean playable video right inside your Base44 project, and the whole process only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, grab the link to the YouTube video you want to use. Open the video on YouTube and copy its URL from the address bar. You can also click the share button and copy that link. Both work fine. For the smoothest results, make sure you're copying the direct video link rather than a playlist or channel link. If the video is set to public or unlisted, Base44 will be able to load it without a problem. Now head into your Base44 project and use the chat box to ask the built-in AI to add a video player for you. Just type something simple like embed a YouTube video here or add a video player. The wording doesn't have to be exact. The goal is to tell the AI you want a video component. After a moment, you'll see a video element appear on your canvas. It might drop it right where you're working, or it may place it in a sensible spot in your layout. If your canvas is busy, zoom in a bit or scroll to find it. You should see a placeholder player with empty settings ready for your link. Once the video component is in place, click it to select it. This opens the properties panel, typically on the side of the interface. Look for a field labeled source or URL. That's where the video gets its address. Paste your YouTube link into that field. If you don't see the preview update immediately, press enter to confirm the change. Within a second or two, the video thumbnail and title should load into the player, indicating that Base44 recognized your link. If it doesn't populate, double check that you pasted the full video URL and not a playlist or a shortened link with extra parameters you don't need. That's all there is to it. You copied the YouTube URL, asked the Base44 AI to add a video player, and pasted your link into the source or URL field. From here, you can continue designing around the player or leave it as is. A quick tip before you move on: keep your link clean and direct, and make sure the video you're referencing is accessible. With that, your embedded YouTube video is ready to go inside Base44.